Alright, I'm here with my boy Timmy Holland, Greenville, Mississippi. Dad ain't gonna know what to think about it. Look at it. Look back there, Dad. What you think about it, Dad?
Lord, I don't know.
Got fixed up nice. Yeah. It ain't going. I mean, this is 22 hours in.
Off of YouTube?
Yeah. Did you, man?
Yeah. Let's see if there's a decaf version. Yeah, right there. Alright, y'all, here's the song.
There ain't nothing said with anybody.
That's the EVOs or VXs?
VXFs or VFXs, however you pronounce that shit.
Oh, yeah. VXFs, okay.
Yeah,
pop it up back there. Let's see. Take a look at it. What about it, Dad? Dad's down for sound too. Look at his hat.
Lord have mercy.
Man, your truck's clean, man.
You ain't broke any windows yet?
That ain't quite enough to break windows.
Right. I know they rattling pretty good.
All the people talk about them kickers be breaking windows.
Right.
Them SKARs ain't doing it yet.
That looks nice.
Yeah, man, he did nice trimming it off and everything. Got them extra DVs up there.
But I decided not to put it in here about 8 months ago. I was going to do it mods. And mods was taking too long. I wanted, so I decided I'm going to put this in here and put something else in the mods. And I'm going to get done with it.
You still use your back seat?
Yep.
That's good. Yeah,
Super cool, man. Super cool.
And you got the McMahon under the hood.
Yeah, they got it done all right.
I mean, the alternator got one.
Just one for now.
So we got the heat shrink under here. The down for sound Superflex certified base head wire. McMahon, what's that? 270? McMahon 270. Got it done right, man. If y'all want to get your system done right, you got to have your electrical up to par, just like your the rest of your system. So. Oh yeah, for sure.
One in that truck. I jumped the dozer off with that truck up at the farm.
Yeah, we got some excess power batteries in the work truck over there too.
Regular ones won't do it.
That's awesome.
Definitely. I know when the Johnson got started, he was getting in the alternators for the old rallies. I mean, the old rallies and the vamps.
Couldn't handle it.
He tried that one night, and I took it back the next day.
Wasn't enough juice.
No, sir, I had to check it. Dang, hell, I just turned the dang radio on and the damn thing quit working. That's what I told him.
That's right. Nice, man. That thing's getting down, man. I like it. It's solid for sure.
Ain't too bad for old redneck install.
No, not at all, man. Not at all. He did a really nice job.
I appreciate it.
Set up on the podium back there, looking real nice.
Yeah, all that's gonna be the front right here be walled in with my high amp. That's where my high amp's gonna go.
Got you.
That way, you know.
Be clean, yeah.
Well, what it is,
right above the other.
I don't want anything getting too hot.
Got you.
I got air conditioning vents to blow directly on it.
Oh, I see it now. Look at him. He ain't playing around. Look at him. Look at him. He got it all cooling back there. Yeah, man.
So I should be able to do whatever I want to and not have to worry about no heat.
Oh yeah, you can be right, man.
As long as I keep my air conditioning.
Heck yeah! Oh yeah, I'm all about it, man. I ain't cut my air conditioner to play no music. Well, I guess we can say that's a good, nice system right there. Oh man, they too quick to do it.
I'm a fat guy. I need the air conditioner.
I'm just not trying to sweat like that if I don't have to, man. If I can have 5 alternators and air conditioning, there ain't no reason why other people should be taking theirs off but only having 2. All right, guys. Well, that's Timmy Holland's Tahoe. I really like it, man. It's really nice. All right, we're pulling up at the farm. We'll see if they're excited to see us today. Is that Ian over there? Is that Ian? They might hear your voice now.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Ant's kicking and everything. What are y'all doing? Look at the pig. He's been rooting. Oh, look. What you doing, Ant? Hey there. Oh, yeah. There's Ant. What's that? Look at that. Oh, my gosh. Look at all the animals now. Look at the chickens running. What you doing, Ant? What, piggy? What? I know it. I know. They're all running. What? I hear y'all. Hey there, what y'all doing, huh? What y'all little guys doing? Oh, you're so cute. Oh my gosh. I hear you. I hear you, piggy. Golly.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Huh?
We just fed you. He been rooting. Look at him.
What's wrong with you? Well, come here. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Yeah, what's with Annie? Yeah, you gonna carry that?
Annie was bucking and clucking and everything else.
Come back. Come back.
I'm gonna run around this side.
Yeah, you better help.
Look at this little guy.
Let me get that head in it. Hey, take that
What?